symphonies. Before all I heard was silence, a rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shola. I film about lifestyle, cooking, family and faith. Yeah, good morning guys. It's weekend, it's Saturday. Yeah, I just woke up now and I need to make breakfast. Yeah, this video is just going to be a general weekend vlog. All the stuff, all the good stuff we'll be doing for weekend. Yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys along. Make sure to subscribe, like and turn on the notification. Yeah, making breakfast now. I just need to get the pancake mix, so I'm going to be using this pear milling buttermilk pancake. Yeah, need to get my bowl. I also like to put egg in my pancake, so I'm just going to use one egg. Then I also like to put milk. Yeah, so I'm going to be using the pancake mix, milk and egg. Just easy. Pancake is very easy to make and my kid love pancakes, so right. You don't have to put milk in your, yeah, let's put the egg in there. Gonna add some milk. Yeah. Put it in the plate. Go ahead and put the remaining one. Yeah, just gonna flip it over again. Yeah, this is going to be I'm going to go ahead and also make some before egg.
Wow.
You ready? So the egg is ready. Oh, what's going on about the phone? Thank you.
It's broken.
No, okay, take it back to the living room. Go put it back. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Okay. I'm also going to be making some hot dog and bacon. So yeah, I got a hot dog here. I'm going to be making like 4. Yeah, I'm just putting the bacon now. I'm going to make just 3. Yeah, here is the bacon and the hot dog.
And we have pancakes.
Yeah, we have pancake. You can hear Oba in the background. Yeah.
And strawberry and blueberry.
Oh yes, we have all of that, right?
Syrup. Syrup.
So the pancake and the bacon is ready. And the hot dog is also ready. Just gonna turn off the stove now. Okay. Yeah, this is what our plate look like. I have pancake, egg, bacon. I have some blueberries and some hot dog. Yeah, I'm just going to make Oba's plate now.
Yeah.
Yeah, just going to make Oba's plate. This is Oba's plate.
That's my plate.
Yeah, that's your plate. So I'm going to make your plate.
We're going to make all this plate, okay?
Okay.
Hi guys, we're going to make pancakes. Okay?
So
But we will cut one plate at a time, okay? Right?
You can hear Oba in the background. Alright, I'm giving him 2 pancake.
Strawberries cotton.
You want strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I need to cut your strawberry.
You share my food with me.
Can you hold on?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Oba's plate. We're just gonna put syrup. And Oba is going to go eat, right, Oba?
Yeah.
Yay, Oba loves pancake.
Wow.
That's it.
That's yummy.
That's yummy. Okay, let me help you. Okay guys, I'm also going to be making coffee. This is my cup. Yeah, I like this Dunkin' French vanilla cup. Yeah. Getting the coffee out. Yeah, just gonna pop it in the machine. Yeah. Yeah, the coffee is ready. I'm just going to put my coffee milk. Yeah. Yeah, just put in the coffee mix. What is coffee without coffee milk, right? Okay, here is my coffee, and let me show you guys my food. This is my food, and this is my coffee. Yeah, my plate and my cup is the same. If you don't know, I love beautiful mugs. I'm a mugs collector, so yeah, this is my food. Come and join me, guys. Let's eat. Yeah, right here eating, guys. I'll see you guys after my food. Yeah, yes guys, it's around 2 o'clock now. It's past 2. Yeah, and I'm going to be doing my pedicure and manicure. Yeah, I got this machine. Let me show you guys. I got this machine since last year December, but I didn't even open it. But I'm going to be using it today. It's a bubble bliss massaging bubbles machine, so I'm going to be using it today. Yeah, I'm going to be doing pedicure and manicure. I'm supposed to go to the beauty salon, but yeah, I don't have to go because I have this machine and I want to try it out. You know, it's not all the time that you just go to the beauty place. You have to do it yourself sometimes. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to also put some nails on. This is it. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna be fixing it myself. Yeah, yeah, I'm just opening up the machine. See what is inside. Okay, this is what it looks like. got the plug, the manual, and it's also got this activator carbon. Yeah, and also this activated clay. I think all these are for massaging, so I'm going to read the manual to know how to use it, because I don't really know how to use it. Yeah. So just going to put the boss aside. This is the power cord, and it's also, I don't know if you guys can see, it also have the on button right here. Yeah, this is the machine. It also comes with this 3 massaging thing. I think it's for this place. You can interchange it, depends on the one you want to use. This one, and this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this one. Yeah, and I'm going to put some water in it. Yeah, this is enough. Yeah, I just fill it up with water now, so I'm going to turn it on. Oh, this is cool. And I'm going to go ahead and put my leg. Okay, come on, Eva, go have a seat. The polish, I just want to add the clear gel.
Gel? How do you put the gel?
Oba, go have a seat. Go have a seat. Mommy's busy right now. Yeah, it's time for my fingernails now. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, I have all the fake nails here. It's kind of cute. Yeah, just going to use this case glue, nail glue. Just pressing it down. Of the grease. Yes guys, all done. Yeah, I really love this. It's so pretty. I did a good job. Yeah guys, comment in the comment section if you think I did a good job. I think I did a good job. I should open a nail salon. Yeah, I love it. And these are my toenails. I did a pretty good job guys. Yeah, it is lunch time guys. I need to make lunch now. We'll be having french fries, salad, and some smoothies. Yeah, that's what we're going to be having for lunch. Yeah, we just need to get the fries out now. This is what we are having. We're having this famous seasoned fries. Yeah, this is from Checkers, and I love it. My kids love it. Yeah. Yeah, about frying the french fries now. Yeah, I got the fry pan here. Yeah, let's put in the fries in the pan. Yeah. Need a plate. Yeah, I told you guys I'm going to be making some smoothie. Yeah, just need to bring the strawberry.
That is strawberry.
Yeah, guys, this is what I'm going to be using for my strawberry. I have some raspberry here, some strawberries. I have some blackberries and some blueberries. Yeah, he knows Opa's voice in the background. Okay, thank you, Oba. Go to the living room. Thank you. Okay, I'm not making watermelon and orange today, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, and I got my my smoothie blender here.
Okay.
It's my smoothie blender.
My smoothie blender? The smoothie blender?
Yeah.
Let me make the smoothie in the middle, okay?
Okay, go to living room. Thank you.
First we add a raspberry.
You know you're not supposed to be in the kitchen, right?
We add some raspberry in the blender.
Okay, go. I know you want to help me, but go. Thank you.
Can you help me?
Hold on. No, don't help me. I don't need help. Thank you, Oba, okay?
I don't want.
I'll call you if I need help, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go
I
baby.
don't want it.
Go give it to Queenie. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sorry guys.
Wait.
Sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm adding some blueberry. You back again? Go give it to Queenie upstairs. Go, baby.
What?
Yeah, I just added some blueberries. Yeah, guys, I'm going to add some blackberry. And also some strawberries. Yeah, sorry guys, before I forget, I'm going to also add some bananas. I just need one banana. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse this and rinse it real good. And here is the fries. It's almost ready. Almost. This is the strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, and blackberry, and also banana. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the smoothie machine. Going to put it in the smoothie machine now. And I'm also going to add the banana. Yeah, I need a knife, so I'm going to add the banana. Yeah. This is okay. Let's turn it on. Alright. Yeah, right here the fries is ready. Okay. I need to put. Yeah, I'm just adding the remaining fruits.
What's over? This dog. Okay. No. Ow.
Yeah, the smoothie is ready now. I need to get my Jason mug. Yeah. Alright. Just gonna go ahead and put it in here. Yeah. This looks so good. and I know it's gonna taste so good. Okay guys, lunch is ready. This is fries and this is my salad. Yeah, I'm going to add some ketchup to the fries, and this is my smoothie. Okay guys, let's eat. Yeah, I'm right here guys eating. This is so crunchy, so good. It tastes the salad. Wow, so yummy, so delicious. Yeah, I'll see you guys after my food. Okay guys, I'm going to be making my daughter here. Move. Get up first. Okay, have your seat. Yeah, I'm going to be making her here. Going to be making big bread. And I got these expressions here. Where did it? Okay. Yeah. Alright. Don't cut it, right? No, don't cut it yet because I have some inside it already.
I don't want to cut it.
You want it that long?
Yeah.
You don't want it like this length?
No, you can use that one for the front.
For the front or for the back?
Okay,
For the back.
use it in the back.
Okay, hold this. Okay. Yeah, let's get into it. Where's the gel? Yeah, I'm also going to be using some of this eco gel. Alright. Where's the cotton con? Alright. That's going to make it big. Where's the remote? Yeah, guys, I'm watching this TV show on Netflix. It's called The Cycle. It is very interesting. If you have watched it, let me know. And if you like it, I really like it. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue to watch it as I'm making the egg.
I'll tell you right now, Michelle's definitely getting her dog. I've adopted a lot of dogs, and I'll see where they live. But I'm giving a thumbs down. Who said no? I'm a fighter. There you go.